channel, Dabs Cook and Gracia Vlog. Yan guys, adobo. Garlic rice with egg, pancit, sweet and sour, spinach and tofu, duck, honey pork. Sour. Egg fried rice. Con. Kunti lang yun. Pang tatlong serve lang ang kakain. Ang ating spinach tofu. Spinach tofu. Pork honey. Ayan, pork honey. Lemon duck. Lemon duck naman. Ang ating egg fried rice. Ating sweet and sour pork. Tapos mayroon tayong limon. Limon guys. Yan guys, pork adobo with baby potato. Yan ang ating pinag-focus ng video. Thank you for watching Dabs English Vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you guys. Bye.